Dubai heat got you sweating? Don't let a dirty AC ruin your comfort. When dust, allergens, and germs build up inside your air conditioner, it doesn't just affect how cool your home feels, it can also impact your health and energy bills. Regular cleaning is essential to keep your AC running efficiently and your indoor air fresh. Ben and Dan blast away grime with cutting-edge, eco-friendly cleaning. Breathe easy and stay cool the smart way. Their expert team uses advanced tools and safe products to ensure your AC is spotless, so you and your family can enjoy pure, refreshing air all summer long. Don't wait. Call 0585274142 now. Get fresher, cooler air today. Experience the difference a professional clean can make for your comfort and well-being.